meron po tayong magnitude 7.6 earlier at 9:43 a.m.
Oo.
And
Na lang.
ang epicenter po nito is 62 kilometers south, 77 east of Manay in Davao Oriental. And yung lalim po nito is 10 kilometers. And we are expecting damage and we are also expecting aftershocks. And meron po tayong tsunami warning. We strongly advise immediate evacuation to higher grounds or move further inland yung nakatira sa Eastern Samar, Dinagat Islands, Davao Oriental, Southern Leyte, Surigao del Norte, Leyte, and Surigao del Sur.
Ano po inaasahan taas ng alon dito, Director?
Ang based sa our calculations, it would be more than 1 meter above the normal tide and maybe higher in closed bays or straits.
Opo. At pag 7.6 ang magnitude, may inaasahan na tayong damage po, Director?
Yes, magnitude 7.6, we are expecting damage po nito.
Oh,
Kasi
medyo malakas po ito.
Yes po.
Oo. Ano ho ang ating nakikita? Meron na ho bang
Initial.
mga initial areas po kung saan na medyo ho nagkaroon ng mga damages?
Again, kumukuha pa tayo ng pumapasok pa lang yung information natin. Later, in a short while, we can probably get more information.
Yung fault line nito, dati o bago ito, Director?
Most likely, it's the Philippine Trench and source po nito.